Hello everyone and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash and I hope you're all having an amazing week. Currently it is Wednesday, the last day of this year, and let's get right to the charts. As you can see, Bitcoin is right now still trading above the weekly pivot. As you can see, yesterday we got a nice pump straight to the weekly pivot, but we then got a reversal. As you can see, we dipped down below it, but right now the Bitcoin price managed to get back above it. Right now we are trading around 88.7k. If we go towards the daily levels, you can see right here we are well above the EMAs right here, as you can see. So nice momentum gain potentially for the new monthly candle open. In my opinion, we are going to be seeing somewhat of a bigger relief, since every time we have a new monthly or weekly candle open, we tend to get a reversal, potentially maybe towards the week of the last candle. And this is, in my personal experience, historically happened almost every time. So we might get a nice relief back towards 92 to 94k, which of course, as you know, if we go to my other chart right here, 94k is basically the most important resistance level that we have. You can see price is still range bound, very choppy price action during the holidays. Basically, we rejected several times from that high volume node, basically the POC right here that we have at exactly 90k. And if we manage to push back through 90k, then the next resistance would be the 618 Fibonacci, the monthly pivot, and also, as you can see, the last high right here of 94k, which was basically the most crucial resistance that we failed to break. But right now you can see the EMA is sitting at around 92.5k, so a nice move towards that moving average would be very nice for Bitcoin. Stock market is right now, if you look at it on the daily time frame, just below the all-time high. I'm not sure if we are going to have a, or we are actually going to have a New York Open today in about an hour. So still pretty, we might get some basically last day of the year volatility. If you look at the yearly candles for Bitcoin, let me just get a chart with more data. Make it like this. So yeah, basically this is the yearly candles of Bitcoin. And as you can see right now, we had since 2014 basically three green years of bull run, then 1 year of red candles, 3 green, 1 red, 3 green, 1 red, and right now it is very crucial if this year will close in the red or in the green. We need to see basically, I think for us to close the year in the green, price would have to close above 94 to 95k. Basically, we need to see a pump back above 96k to see the year close in the green, so then we can have this structure going. Otherwise, we will be seeing a structure break of basically a very old trend since 2014. So very important to see if Bitcoin can basically push the price back into this level, and if we are going to keep this trend going. Otherwise, we might just get a completely macro top level right here and go maybe into 2 to 3 year long bear markets, which has not happened, but it might happen if we change this structure on the yearly graph right here. So this is also something very important that I wanted to share with you guys at the end of the year. Other than that, open interest still basically very low. CVD is also down, as you can see. Liquidity sitting right now on both sides. Most of it is actually to the downside at those lows at 86 to 85k. Fear and Greed Index right now still remaining at 32, nothing new here. And actually we did have I think, finally a buy from all of the institutions. At the end of the year, basically, you can see we finally got a nice green day for the spot ETFs with all of the bigger institutions buying, as you can see right here, which is very nice to see. It might help that pump back towards 94, 96k. As I said, if we want to close the yearly trend like it was since basically 10 years ago, since 2014, more than 10 years actually, you can see long versus shorts ratio for the day. We actually do have more buyers in the market as of right now. Funding rates still remaining positive on the major exchanges, and we don't have basically, let me just refresh, we do have unemployments for today in about 20 minutes, so it might give us some volatility and that nice pump towards my levels that I was talking about. If you want to close the yearly candle in the green, we want to see price go back to these levels. And other than that, I think this covers it for today's quick update, guys. Have a nice new year, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.